Historically, September gave us the best chances to invest into altcoins. And in this video, I will talk about 4 altcoins I'm accumulating right now for the upcoming bull run. I will talk about 4 different altcoins in different crypto niches, which all have a massive potential. So let's go straight into the content. The first project I'm going to talk about is BitTensor Tau. Tau is on place 34 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.3 billion, and it's one of the biggest AI coins in the crypto niche. And as you can see, after we had the all-time high this year for the AI coins, they were crashing to the downside. And we then came back into the start of this bullish run, this demand zone right here. And we are consolidating here for longer time. And now it looks that we could see the bullish breakout in the near future. And I think the chances high that we will never see cheap prices like this for Tau. So especially if we can break this last high to the upside, then we have the bullish confirmation that we are seeing higher prices in the near future. So especially if I would be on the sideline right now on this project, I would get into this project for the long term. And the chance is really high that we could see new all-time highs for this upcoming bull run. The second project I'm talking about is Sui. Sui is right now on place 27 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3.1 billion. And as you can see, Sui also had a new all-time high this year, and after this new all-time high we saw this massive crash, came also back into this demand zone, and lately we then saw this break of structure, so we broke this last high which led to this low to the upside, so we are in a daily bullish structure again, and as you can see we are right now breaking this last supply zone. So we had a massive bearish resistance right here, and now the chance is high that we can break this last supply zone. And if you could retest this one, this would be an amazing price to get into Sui. And I think the chance that we could see new all-time highs this bull run is very high. And also on the long term, I'm very bullish on this project. I think it has a massive potential, and the chance is really high that we could see new all-time highs. So especially if we were on the sideline right now, I would get into this coin in this area. The third project I am looking at is Base Terminal. Base Terminal is a native launchpad on Base Chain, and this project is right now in the IDO stage, and you can invest in this project over Ape Terminal or Gate.io. And Base Terminal is a launchpad which will launch many different projects on the Base Chain. For example, they will launch this project KOI, which is an AI and gaming project I'm also very interested in. So they will definitely launch very interesting projects in the near future, and we also have a massive community. So I think it's definitely one of the most interesting projects in this September right now. And especially with the support of Ape Terminal and Gate.io, I think it has a massive potential for the future and especially for this bull run. So in Base Terminal, I see the biggest potential of these 4 altcoins. And I'm really excited of the launch for the 20th of September. And the last project I'm going to talk about is Bread. Bread is one of the biggest meme coins on the Base Chain, which is also right now on place 75 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $750 million. And as you can see, after the launch, we got this massive bullish upwards move. And since the last all-time high, we saw this crash, and we already tapped into the 78.6 Fibonacci level. And right now we are consolidating, and I think the chance is high that we could see a near bullish reversal right here. And I think this meme coin could be one of the biggest ones of the cycle. And if we are looking at the performance of the last year, you can see that the meme coins will outperform every other niche. So I think this project is definitely very interesting. And if we will see a bullish reversal, then the chances is high that we could see a quick explosion like this one for Bread. So I think these prices are very interesting right now. So guys, I told you the 4 altcoins I am buying this month, and I see a lot of potential for the upcoming bull run. Please write down below which altcoins are you buying this month and which one you seem very interested in. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.